Welcome, in front of me is Xiaomi Redmi 13, and in this video I will show you what to do if your phone is overheating while charging. So first of all, if you're using a fast charger, then it's normal for your device to overheat, and it will be overheating while charging if you're using a fast charging device. So in order to change it, you have to go to settings, then find the battery settings, and then go to charging options and change wired charging mode to standard. But if it doesn't resolve your problem, go to battery checkup first, then go through the steps you can see right here in order to optimize your battery health. If you have more than one checkbox, then hit all of them, then click add, and then to proceed, make sure that you don't use any applications, or basically try avoid using your phone while it's being charged. Also, for better heat regulation, remove the case from your phone and leave it in the cool, well-ventilated area, and just let it charge for a bit, and all of this should resolve your issue completely, and your phone should not no more overheat while charging. And that's basically it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.